No, you're gonna have to come over today and you're gonna have to pick up your Crocs.
I know you touched my drum set, and I want to hear that dirty little mouth admit it.
Get out of my face, or I'm gonna roundhouse your ass.
You swear on your mom's life that you didn't touch it then.
I don't have to swear to shit.
That's because you fucking touched my drum set.
I charge up and I sneak attack.
Sit.